7 words that will rewire your brain and help you manifest whatever it is you desire without any effort at all. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach, and today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. So, talking about rewiring your brain. Your mind, high flyers, is designed to stop you at all costs from feeling pain. Your brain is designed to protect you even when there isn't a real threat. Now, obviously, some threats are real, and it's a good thing we have a brain that does that. But a lot of the threats that we have in life are imaginary threats or possible threats or made up threats. In other words, they don't really exist. They just exist in our belief system, and it usually has to do with limiting beliefs or doubts and fears. So what happens, high flyers, is our brain causes us to hesitate. It's just a micro hesitation, a small hesitation. But that hesitation is there for a reason, and that reason is so that the brain can check out the possibility of pain, real or imaginary. Remember, the brain, especially the subconscious part of the brain, the subconscious mind, it really doesn't understand the difference between a real event and an imaginary event. So if your life is filled with imaginary fears, rejection, possible pain from failures in the past that you are now applying to a situation in the present, if your brain is making that connection, then you will hesitate and you'll likely not make a decision quick and fast, oftentimes too slow or not at all. You know, Andrew Carnegie, who was the richest man in the world at one time, started from poverty and became a multi-billionaire. He used to put a stopwatch under his desk when he was interviewing people about a possible job opportunity. And he would see how long it took them. Some people would say, well, Mr. Carnegie, I can't make a decision today. I need to go home and talk to my wife about it, or I need to think about it tonight. He'd say, that's fine. Other people would sit there and they'd kind of mull over the decision, and I wonder if I should do this, and can I think about it for the afternoon? And then another person would say, that's for me. I'm ready to take this opportunity. And he found that people who made decisions fast and changed their minds slowly were people who truly knew deep in their soul, in their heart, what they desired out of life, the kind of money they desired, the kind of abundance they desired, the love they desired. So he tended to hire people who could make decisions quickly. In other words, people who didn't hesitate because of false fear. So think about all the things in your life that you may have or are continuing to hesitate on. And we all do this. We all have to be on guard of this micro hesitation. Starting a new business, changing careers, building a charity, a better relationship, moving to a different part of the country, taking a dream vacation, buying a new house, a new car. I mean, the list can go on and on. And when you hesitate, you allow for counter intentions, counter thoughts, counter beliefs to take control of your mind. And when these counter beliefs and counter thoughts take control of your mind, oftentimes, high flyers, the result is you begin to attract the opposite of what you desire. In other words, from a law of attraction perspective, you begin to manifest your own fears. In addition to that, when you hesitate, you start to feel stress. During a moment of hesitation, you begin to feel an increase in stress. And this is measurable. It's an increase in blood pressure, heart rate, your thoughts start to race, and then your brain takes on this magnifying effect. It takes the possibility of a negative outcome and it magnifies it. It makes it big. It makes it bold. It makes it bright. And the fear becomes overwhelming and you completely retreat. You completely back up. And that puts you in a position to lose what you desire, to lose what you desire to attract in your life. The love, the money, the abundance, the new opportunities, all of it is gone through hesitation. So high flyers, in my own personal journey, in focusing on manifesting the life that I desire, I have to always remind myself that no matter what I'm a Pisces, I'm a double Pisces, maybe even a triple Pisces. I have a lot of mutable energy in my personality. And if I allow this hesitation to take over, then pretty soon, not only a few seconds have gone by, but a day has gone by, a week has gone by. I've had situations where years have gone by. I hesitated to write a book. It took Rachel coming into my life to say, what's the problem? You know the information, let's write it and get it done. Within a couple months, the book was done. But I had 4 or 5 or 6 copies of the book that I had started, but I hesitated. Why? Fear. Nobody will like the book. Fear. What if people reject the book? Fear. What if people don't buy the book? None of that has been the case, but nonetheless, that's how it works. That's the magnifying effect. Listen, you may feel fear. You may feel the fear of pain, the fear of failure, the fear of rejection. But trust me on this one thing. Do it anyway. Do it anyway. It's absolutely essential that sometimes you challenge your fears and your doubts and your hesitation and the desire of your brain, the way your brain is wired to protect you. Challenge it head on. You deserve to manifest your dreams, achieve your goals, more money in your life, the relationship you desire and crave, better health and vitality and happiness. And that all comes about by doing it anyway. So again, in my own personal journey, what I realized, and it took me many, many years to come to this conclusion. So I'm going to save you, 40 years or 50 years of trying to figure it out. I'm going to save you all that time. Here you go. I figured it out. Here it is for you. You are one decision away from an incredible business. You are one decision away from something new and exciting happening in your career. You are one decision away from an astonishing marriage or relationship. You are one decision away from a better relationship with your children. You are one decision away from the happiness that you desire and you absolutely deserve. One decision away. You are one decision away from becoming an incredible dream machine. So ultimately, high flyers, your life comes down to belief. It comes down to thoughts, emotions, and ultimately decisions. Decisions determine your life. Decisions or hesitation. What would you rather have? Would you rather fail on hesitations or succeed with decisions? The choice is yours. You can make a new choice. Today is the day. Today is the day I take my life to the next level. Or today is the day that I let things slide. Think about that. Today, you either take your life to the next level, or today you let things slide. You sleep in, you stay up late, you go out partying, you don't take the real actions that are important to you, the real steps, and make the real decisions that are critical to your happiness, abundance, and love. So high flyers, we make minor decisions all day long. We make hundreds, thousands of little minor decisions. You know deep in your soul what you desire, what you want. But negative thoughts and fear of pain, take over. So say these words. These are the words that will change your life and rewire your brain. Just for today, I will do it. Just for today, I will do it. So high flyers, manifestation comes from beliefs flowing into thoughts. It's like a ladder, flowing into thoughts, into emotions, and then feelings, and finally decisions. So beliefs, thoughts, emotions, feelings, decisions. This is how manifestation normally flows. Now, what happens is somewhere around here in beliefs and thoughts, we develop these negative feelings, these negative beliefs, these negative thoughts, and then it flows all the way down, and then we stop taking decisions. We don't take any action. We don't make any decisions. And that's where we hold ourselves back. That's where we defeat ourselves. But think about this. You've got some negative feelings up here, some feelings of fear, some feelings of doubt. Make the decision anyway, as we said earlier. Make the decision anyway. Just for today, I will do it. And fill in the it, whatever it is. I will get up early. I will exercise. I will call the right people. I will send out a resume. I will start my business. Whatever it is, take the decision anyway. Here's the cool thing about this. This is so astonishing to me. You can come up here and make changes through miracle hypnosis or other forms of meditation, through visualization. But you can also make changes that will affect your beliefs, affect your thoughts down here by making decisions. In other words, make a decision even if you feel fear and doubt. And once you make that decision, it begins to shift your beliefs, shift your limiting thoughts and your fear of pain. Why and how does it do that? It does that because all of a sudden you realize that, hey, the world didn't explode. I'm still alive. Things are getting better. Things didn't go as bad as I thought they would. Things went better than I thought they would. In other words, by making decisions, your beliefs begin to shift. Your thoughts begin to change. Your emotions change based on your thoughts. Your feelings change based on your emotions. And you begin to manifest at an accelerated rate. Just for today, I will do it. So high flyers, ideally, we would like our beliefs to be congruent and in harmony and in alignment with our dreams and goals. But if our beliefs aren't and our thoughts are filled with fear, take the decisions, change the beliefs, change the thoughts, rewire your brain. Use that affirmation, write it down below. I'm serious. This is one you really need to write down below because this will change everything and it will lead to manifestation, whatever your dreams and goals are. Have a great day. You absolutely deserve it.